Good morning guys! Ang sunod nating video ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba ang mag-apply ng isang residential free patent application. First, kailangan mong mag-fill up ng free patent application na ibibigay sa iyo ng mga deputized land inspector namin sa mga concerned CNR office. Pangalawa, any of the following document showing the identity of the land and the claims of ownership such as tax declaration, deed of sale, deed of donation, deed of transfer, extrajudicial settlement, waiver of rights, barangay certification, and affidavit of at least 2 disinterested person residing in the area, certification from the municipal trial court that there is no pending land registration case involving the parcel being applied for. Then, approved survey plan with technical description, certification of land status from the land registration authority if the land subject for the application is under the cadastral proceedings. And kung hindi naman siya under the cadastral proceedings, dyan lang kayo mag-request ng certification of land status sa concerned CNR office ng inyong lugar. Then, certification that the land applied is alienable and disposable. So, may dalawa kasing classification ng lupain natin. Una, yung timberland tsaka alienable and disposable. Yung timberland, yun ang yun ang lupain na pagmamayari ng gobyerno na hindi pwedeng ma-applyan ng titulo. Tapos yung isa, yung alienable and disposable, yun lang yung pwedeng ma-dispose at ma-applyan ng title ng mga individual na tao. Tapos kailangan mong mag-present ng documentary stamp, 4 pieces, 2 doon sa affidavit, 1 doon sa application form, and 1 doon sa notice of posting. Kasi magpo-posting kasi tayo sa barangay na itong lupa na subject for application is may nag-a-apply. Para naman kung may magpo-protest, so malaman nila kaagad. Tapos, certification from the local government unit that the area applied is zoned as residential. Tapos, latest photograph of the land and the house, preferably geotag. So, itong panghuling requirements ay ang mga DPLI na nito ang kukuha ng picture gamit yung geotag photos. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much.